Hey everyone, welcome back to Scylla AI Podcast, your go-to source for all things tech, security, and innovation. My name is Alex, and today we're diving deep into a fascinating and rapidly evolving space, AI-powered video analytics. Specifically, we'll be looking at the major trends shaping this market in the fourth quarter of 2024. From major advancements in cloud adoption to behavioral analytics and AI-driven security systems. The world of video analytics is more exciting than ever. But it's not just about the tech. This episode is about understanding how these innovations are shaping business decisions, market behaviors, and the future of safety and operations. If you've ever been curious about how AI can transform security, operational efficiency, or even give you insight into customer behaviors, you're in the right place. And of course, I'll be sharing a little bit about what we do here at Scylla and how we're helping push the boundaries of AI-powered video analytics. So let's get started. Let's kick things off by understanding how we got to where we are today. The video analytics industry has seen an extraordinary transformation over the last few years. Just a few years ago, we were in the phase of proof of concept projects where businesses were tinkering with AI-powered video systems to see what they could do. Companies were exploring the technology with curiosity, but not necessarily making significant investments. That exploratory phase is over. We're now in a period of maturity. Video analytics today is a proven technology that offers measurable returns on investment, ROI. It's no longer just about being the first to try out a cool new tool. Now it's about real business value and efficiency. The key difference is that today's solutions are solving actual, high-impact business problems. This shift reminds me of a pivotal moment in the automotive industry. Think about the early days of cars. They were more like horseless carriages. But eventually, as manufacturers innovated, cars became the powerful, efficient machines we rely on today. Similarly, businesses are now moving away from legacy technologies that were clunky and costly to operate, instead embracing sleek, cutting-edge, AI-powered solutions that drive real business outcomes. Now, let's talk about the vendors in this space. Just as the technology has matured, so have the offerings from video analytics providers. To stay relevant in this competitive market, leading vendors are now offering multiple deployment models, whether it's on-premise, cloud-based, or hybrid, and a comprehensive range of analytics features, including the all-important behavioral analytics. This trend has been driven by buyers becoming much more pragmatic. In 2024, it's not about trying out the tech for the sake of it. It's about aligning the technology with your specific business objectives and needs. Companies are actively seeking vendors who provide solutions that offer more than just the basics. They want a package that includes AI monitoring, security integration, and other features under one umbrella. Now, let's talk about the broader economic environment. You can't discuss business technology trends without considering the economic backdrop. As we head toward the end of 2024, inflation is moderating after several years of intense pressure caused by the pandemic and massive government spending. But even though inflation is cooling, we're not out of the woods yet. There are concerns about a mild recession on the horizon. What does this mean for the video analytics market? You might expect businesses to pull back on tech investments during uncertain economic times, right? Well, not quite. Video analytics is one of the areas that continues to attract attention and investment despite economic pressures. Why? Because companies are laser-focused on cutting costs and improving efficiency. With residual inflation still a factor, businesses are looking for ways to reduce operational expenses, and AI-powered video analytics presents a massive opportunity to do just that. For example, these systems can reduce the need for large security teams by automating much of the monitoring and flagging of incidents. That's not just a labor cost saving. It's a way to optimize operations overall. Moreover, video analytics technology is now mature enough to offer clear and quantifiable ROI. Businesses aren't just making these investments to see what happens. They're doing it because it works. The skepticism that may have existed in the past about AI-powered security has largely dissipated, and companies are now placing their bets on technology that delivers tangible benefits. Interestingly, we're also seeing businesses move away from investments with less certain outcomes. In 2020, there was a lot of hype around AI and machine learning, and many companies jumped on board without fully understanding what they were getting into. Now, the market is smarter. Purchasers are no longer interested in flashy tech that doesn't drive real value. They want solutions that are proven to work, backed by solid data and success stories. All right, let's shift gears and talk about something that has really changed the game for video analytics: cloud computing. I know, you've heard about the cloud for years now, but the evolution of cloud technology is something we can't ignore, especially in the context of AI-powered video analytics. Initially, cloud computing was all about outsourcing servers. Companies moved their data storage offsite to save on hardware costs. But we've moved far beyond that. Today, organizations are using the cloud for much more sophisticated purposes, and video analytics is one of the areas that has really benefited from this transformation. The cloud allows businesses to scale their video analytics systems without massive upfront investments in hardware. Gone are the days when you needed to buy a room full of servers to store and process video data. With cloud-based video analytics, businesses can scale up or down based on their needs, and they only pay for what they use. This usage-based pricing model has been a massive game changer, especially for companies that need flexibility. But it's not just about cost savings. The cloud also offers other significant benefits like reliability and easy federation. Whether you're running a small business or managing security for a large enterprise, cloud-based video analytics gives you the scalability and resilience you need. You can federate video data across multiple sites, enabling you to centralize your operations and manage everything from one dashboard. And speaking of AI, cloud computing has made it easier than ever to integrate advanced AI capabilities into video analytics systems. With the cloud, businesses can access cutting-edge AI tools without having to build and maintain their own infrastructure. Public cloud providers like AWS and Azure are now offering a wide range of AI services, from machine learning models to serverless computing products, making it easier than ever to deploy sophisticated video analytics solutions. One of the most exciting trends in the video analytics space right now is behavioral analytics. This is where things get really cool. Traditionally, video analytics systems have been focused on detecting basic events, things like motion detection or identifying unauthorized access. But behavioral analytics takes this to a whole new level. Rather than analyzing individual frames of video, behavioral analytics uses AI to analyze video over time and identify complex patterns of behavior. Think about it. This technology can detect things like fights breaking out in a crowd, a person falling over, or suspicious activity that might not trigger a traditional alarm but could still be cause for concern. What's especially exciting about this is that it goes beyond security. Yes, it's great for reducing safety risks, but behavioral analytics can also provide insights into customer behavior. In a retail setting, for example, it could be used to analyze foot traffic patterns or identify which areas of a store are most popular. This opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for businesses looking to gain deeper insights into human behavior. And this is why forward-thinking organizations are rethinking the traditional model of video surveillance. Instead of having a security officer sitting in front of a bank of screens, behavioral analytics allows AI to do the heavy lifting, flagging only the incidents that matter. This reduces human error and allows for much faster response times in critical situations. Now, let's zoom out and take a look at the bigger picture, the market itself. As with any rapidly evolving technology, the video analytics market is going through a period of consolidation. In the early days, there was a bit of a Cambrian explosion. Lots of new companies popped up, each trying to carve out a niche in the market. But today, we're seeing a weeding out process where only the strongest players are surviving. Why is this happening? Well, for one, investors are becoming more cautious. Back in 2020, venture capitalists were eager to fund any startup with AI in its business plan. But now, they're looking for proven companies that can deliver real results. If a company can't demonstrate ROI or show that it has a significant customer base, it's unlikely to get any more funding. On the flip side, the companies that are succeeding are the ones with a comprehensive, integrated solution. These vendors aren't just offering video analytics as a standalone product. They're providing a full suite of services from cloud integration to AI-driven behavioral analytics. And this is what purchasers want: something that works, is easy to deploy, and delivers real value. What's more, the rise of cloud-based analytics is putting pressure on traditional video management systems, VMS vendors. Legacy systems that haven't adapted to the cloud or integrated next-gen AI technologies are struggling to keep up. This shift is forcing many older companies to either evolve or exit the market. Lastly, let's talk about a major concern in the industry: generative AI models. You've probably heard about tools like ChatGPT and the rise of large language models, LLMs. These technologies are making headlines, but when it comes to video analytics, generative models have some serious limitations. Some vendors are using public generative models to analyze video footage, but this is risky. For one, public models aren't designed specifically for security applications. They might be good at describing an image, but they lack the precision needed for real-time incident detection in a security context. There are also significant privacy concerns. Public generative models could expose sensitive data if they're not properly managed. Leading vendors avoid these risks by developing their own AI models, trained on real-world security data. These models are built specifically for the unique challenges of video analytics, making them far more reliable. At Scylla, we take a very deliberate approach to AI, ensuring that our models are built, tested, and validated for security applications. We understand that in this space, accuracy is everything, and there's no room for error when it comes to keeping people and assets safe. To wrap things up, the video analytics market in Q4 2024 is all about maturity. The hype is gone, and the focus is now on execution, real-world applications, and proven ROI. Cloud computing, AI-powered monitoring, and behavioral analytics are reshaping the way businesses approach security, safety, and even customer engagement. At Scylla, we're proud to be part of this transformation. Our AI-powered video analytics solutions are designed to help businesses stay ahead of the curve, whether you're looking to reduce operational costs, improve security, or gain insights into human behavior. We're not just selling technology, we're offering solutions that deliver real, measurable results. If you want to dive deeper into this topic, check out the link in the description to download the overview of the video analytics market. You'll find even more insights we couldn't fit into this episode. Stay safe and see you soon.